Breaking news here. Stocks all around the world are tanking because of the crisis.
The euro faced a crisis like the one it faces now.
Angela Merkel says Europe's bailout of Spain is the right.
The EU monetary chief saying the eurozone is just about a week left.
Down 16% down.
The government's sweeping austerity cuts. Strikes also in transport, schools.
We need growth, we need investment, we need Eurobonds.
The principal message we send to the government, which contains a lot of measures which are no good for the workers.
Everybody's against because it will be more unemployment, less production.
It's very mysterious. We're just walking around not sure what's happening.
What we want is that outsourcing is better regulated.
The only thing they have to offer is catastrophe.
Amidst these crises and turbulent times, BWI remained unfazed while reinventing its strategies to meet the problems and challenges generated by economic, social, and political instability that pervades Europe. Animated by a fresh platform to rebuild, reform, and restore, BWI has placed priority to bring back the power of unions through aggressive organizing, to bring back the unions closer to the members through reorganization of trade union structures, and to bring back the trust and confidence of workers to trade unions through meaningful campaigns. This platform became key for BWI in effectively engaging the urgent social issues like exploitation, unemployment, repression, poverty, hunger, and the struggle against social dumping and betterment of wage. In 2016, a significant victory was accomplished by BWI when it signed a Memorandum of Understanding together with its affiliate, the RBWU, FIFA, and FIFA LOC, that provides for joint safety inspection for the 2018 World Cup sites in Russia. BWI unions have also sought to ensure FIFA is complying with national minimum standards. Since then, 10 inspections have taken place. Also in Russia, BWI and the Russian Timber Union worked together to organize the workers at the IKEA plant in Tikhvin, resulting into creation of a core network of worker activists who are leading the struggle for trade union recognition and implementation of the International Framework Agreement. In Germany, more than 200,000 workers marched the streets in Berlin, where BWI played a major role together with the strong participation of the IGBAU to protest the Transatlantic Trade and Investment Partnership. In Ukraine, the Building Workers Trade Union, after years of negotiation, finally signed a national CBA in August 2017, increasing the wage of several hundred thousands of workers in construction and building sectors. Likewise, BWI affiliates in Montenegro, Serbia, Bosnia and Herzegovina were successful in their CBAs. With Holcim and Lafarge, Heidelberg Cement, and Italcementi as well, BWI took actions in protecting workers' rights. In 2015, the campaign Holcim Lafarge No Merger Without Workers' Rights was launched, and global action days followed. These campaigns resulted into forcing the cement giants into negotiations for an IFA. The Turkish Road Workers Union in 2016 campaigned successfully, which resulted into granting permanent employment status of around 12,000 subcontracted workers at the General Directorate for Highways. The Independent Road Workers Trade Union of Croatia in 2017 was successful in protecting workers from exploitation of temporary employment agencies, while the Tarim Orman IS campaigned against seasonal and precarious employment in Turkey. This year, the BWI affiliates in Pan-Europe, organized in 14 countries, concluded 33 activities around the International Workers' Memorial Day on April 28 as part of the BWI campaign with the theme of Unions Make Work Safer. Now, forward ever, and with abounding experiences learned from the tumultuous last decade, BWI goes headstrong to engage the coming challenges that will come its way. Rebuild, reform, restore. Onwards to innovative unionism. Power to the people.